People, how are you doing? I hope you all had a good night rest. Okay, what I'm showing you here is what I like so much. In fact, I love it so much. This is what I use on my face every morning. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you how I use it, how I applied it on my face every morning. This is Aloe Face and Body Scrub. Aloe Face and Body Scrub, it eliminates skin outer layer deaths. This scrub contains rich vitamin E, C, D, B12, etc. It reduces and restricts splash flaw. It also reduces aging skin. It's really good. It's a good one. And activates the regeneration of cells. In case you're going to get it in a supermarket or any shop right around you, make sure you check the NAFDAC scrub, because it scrub out all the dead cells. You can see how this is. You can see this. Scrub out all the dead cells in my skin. Leaving my skin brighter and smooth. I think that's enough for now. Then I have to wait for like 20 minutes before I rinse it out with the lukewarm water. Oh. My love for this scrub, I love it. This scrub gives me a very deep scrub. It clears everything on my face. I feel really good. It opens the pores and increase the collagen in your face. Wow. Thank you. A deep scrub. Scrub it all over your face. Take another quantity of it. Scrub everywhere. I just wash it off now. After rinsing it off with lukewarm water, you can apply your moisturizer. It's good. Alright, in order not to waste much time,